Hello students, it is the practical geometry part 4 and construction of triangle part 3 video. So in this session we will discuss how to construct a triangle when its two angle and one side known. Okay, or we can say that construction of triangle using ASA criteria. That means if we know the measure of two angle of this triangle and length of a side. Okay, so construct a triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 10 centimeter, measure of angle A is equal to 80 degree and measure of angle B is equal to 50 degree. So this is the rough sketch for this, where triangle ABC and AB is base of this triangle, that is 10 centimeter, and this is the angle A is 80 degree and angle B is 70 degrees. Okay, so let's see how to construct it. So for constructing this triangle, first draw the line segment of 10 centimeter using ruler and pencil. Now mark the point A and B and distance between them is 10 centimeter. Now using protractor, draw an angle of 180 degree at point A. So this is the angle YAB, that is equal to 80 degree. So this is YAB equal to 80 degree. Now at point B, so using protractor, draw an angle of measure 50 degree at point B. So this arm of angle B, that is BX, intersect the AY at point C. So this is BX, which intersect the AY at point C. So this is the required triangle ABC, whose angle A is equal to 80 degree and angle B is equal to 50 degree, and side between them, that is AB, is equal to 10 centimeters. So it is the required triangle. So now you will be able to construct a triangle whose two angles and length of one side are known. So these are the steps of construction. So draw a line segment AB equal to 12 centimeter. Next, at point A, draw an angle. At point A, draw an angle YAB 80 degree with the help of protractor. At point B, draw an angle XBA of 50 degree with the help of protractor. Then AY and BX intersect at point C, and it is the required triangle ABC. So this is the entire process of construction, and this is the constructed diagram, or the diagram after the construction. Construction of triangle using RHS criteria. So now we will discuss right angle triangle. How to construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse and any one side, length of any one side is known. Okay. So construct a right angle triangle ABC where the angle B is equal to 90 degree and AC, that is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So first draw the rough sketch so you can get which is the hypotenuse and which is the base of this triangle. So this is the hypotenuse and AB is equal to 7 centimeter, that is the base of this triangle. Okay. So this is the rough sketch for this. So now let's see how to construct it. So first draw the line segment of 7 centimeter. Line segment using ruler and pencil. So mark the point A and B, that is 7 centimeter apart. Okay. So now using compass construct a perpendicular at point B, or you can construct a 90-degree angle at point B. So for constructing 90-degree angle at point B, first draw an semicircle at point B of any radius. Now without changing the opening of this compass, at the intersection of this line and semicircle taken as a center, and swing an arc which intersect the semicircle at another point. Now taking this point as a center, without changing the opening of compass, construct another arc which intersect the semicircle at another point. That this is the 120-degree angle. Okay, so when we join this point with B, we get the 120-degree angle. Now this 60-degree part, so now we divide this 60-degree part, so we will get the 30-degree. Okay, so 60 plus 30 equal to 90-degree. So here we construct 90-degree angle by bisecting this second 60-degree part of this semicircle. Okay, so taking the greater than half of this part, swing an arc from both sides of this 60-degree part. Okay, now join this intersection point with B and you will get the 90-degree angle. So here you will get the 90-degree angle at point B. So this is extended arm of angle B. Now taking A as a center and adjust the opening of compass equal to 9 cm, which is hypotenuse of this triangle. Okay, so now taking A as a center, swing an arc which intersect the extended arm of angle B at point, say, C. Now join the point C to A. So you will get the required triangle ABC. So this is the required triangle ABC, whose one angle is 90-degree and hypotenuse is 9 cm and AB is, that is means base of this triangle is 7 cm. So okay students, now you will be able to construct a triangle whose a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse and one of the side length is known. Okay, so these are the major steps of construction. So draw a line segment AB is equal to 7 cm at point B. At point B, draw BX perpendicular to AB, or you can draw the 90-degree angle at point B. Taking A as a center, draw an arc of radius 9 cm. This arc cut the BX at point C here and join the AC. Okay, so now you will get the required right angle triangle ABC at right angle at B. Okay, this is the figure after you get after the construction. So let's try it. So these questions are based on the RHS criteria. So try to construct it. Thank you students for watching this video.